Pray them, I pray them. Them say them have clips, pan top of clips. Gun well load pan them hip. Big 45 and them matic. Ready fi go show. Top killer. Tell you why me 8-9. 9 kill too much man, and 10 a cause too much tension. Mach 11 bus load 12 gauge nah ram. It's like them release the demon. 14, 15, 16 clip bigger than baby and whoa yeah. These streets is filled with drugs and guns and crazy man. Hey, oi. Real life this and on Hollywood. And if you kill your black brother that mean him gone for good. And way things are that's not the way it should. And if you want to give me forward nobody go so it's like them now no regards to life. Them only obsessed with guns and knife. Them will kill a day and them will kill in a night. Do it for the love and them a do it for the hype. War on the port out, they gun them send off inside the country. One back a dan man like the dust. Enough of them a screw, enough of them a go bend up. And when them start talk, pray them tell them hush up. Can't hear no good song, a be a gun song a bust. And if it continue, the country a go get I be a little demon, me see a breed up. Rifle all out and them nah heads up. Tell you why me 8-9. 9 kill too much man, and 10 a cause too much tension. Mach 11 bus load 12 gauge nah ram. It's like they release the demon. 14, 15, 16 clip bigger than baby and boy. These streets is filled with drugs and guns and crazy man. Aye. They say they murder us and they will take your life away. Away. They say they murder us and they will take your life away. Them a got some riflemen, even know them name. And all who a go on it look like a end game. Spinners them a bust like a Django and chain. Badness increase, the youth them gone insane.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready to kiss and hug mommy?
Yes.
So let's go check it out.
Where's my mom coming out?
I don't know. They said she was getting out 2 hours ago. You see how long we've been waiting? I know you hungry and you thirsty, right? Let me call them and see how long they gonna take. Don't worry, just wait. Hello? Central Booking. Yes, this is Cleopatra. I'm trying to see how long y'all gonna take to let out my girl Blue. We've been waiting out here for 2 hours already. Me and her son, he is hungry and thirsty. We didn't bring no food or nothing because y'all said that she was coming out 2 hours ago. If I would have known that, I would have rolled to somewhere and got him something to eat, to the store and got him something to drink. Don't you think that y'all should have some kind of sympathy there? It's gonna be 30 more minutes. Well then back in 30 more minutes you let her know that her ride is back on the way. I'm finna go take her son to get him something to eat and something to drink and we'll be back. Alright. I hope she out one by the time we get back. Alright, thank you. Make it quick.
Where is she? Oh my God, sit down and wait here, man. Where's my ride now? Damn, man. I gotta be waiting on this bitch here. Hold on, I think I see them. You miss me? Alright. Where's that hoe at? Where's my hoe? I just got out within 24 hours. Yo, let me talk to my girl Cleo. Oh my God, I still can't believe that my father is gone. And he gave Cleopatra the black envelope to give me. And I'm just opening it now. My hands are nervous. I don't really want to read this, but I know it's important that I read this. Okay, let's see what it says. Dear Blue, if you're reading this letter, this can only mean one thing. I'm dead. You need to know the truth of who you are and know the importance of your new position in our black mob family. You are now the mob boss, the godmother for all locations. I know I will be either looking down from heaven or looking up from hell. Just make me proud and keep the mob family legacy going. So you need to know the truth about this family, which will empower you to do the honorable thing and take back the streets from our enemies. But be very careful and look closely to those not only on the streets, but within. Damn. Within. So it looks like there's a Judas in the camp. Okay. Important for you to know the truth about your real family. Your uncle was Tony Montana Scarface. Tony Montana Scarface? That's my uncle? And I'm only finding out now? Oh my God.
Call the boss, say them so she read in the car. Good girl, I didn't even hear from her, you know. Oh, go on, Blue. Yeah, I did.
You gotta tell me. Let's hear it. You think you're falling in love with me? Well, to be quite honest, I feel the same. I just didn't want to say anything because you know I'm a hardcore bitch.
Me for AVB, you hear that? You know, that done for 5 years, B, me I feel say John no. It's like me I go crazy because every day me have to think about you. And say every day I call you. You man and me for AVB, man, you know I love you personal. What you say?
What are we gonna do? Where do we go from here? Are you down with Blue all the way? Right, because I need a real nigga.
You know you're the boss, eh? And you know me respect you and rate upon a level. If I never love you to a level, I wouldn't do certain things for you as I say already. You see me? So I just see you look through it and see what you know. Need for having beside you to keep the business flow though. Settle down with you and marry you. Yeah, I laugh, think I do thing. Yeah, man and me for have you have to be. No more marry you. Give my last name here that Dark Night and the Blue. You know them hear name in the street. Them get scared. Because we have go on the street and tell you already now. If we all combine together in a way, you know, powerful enough, them can't stop it, you know.
Right. But don't say you're a rude boy for a long time. That's why I love you. How you mean? We gotta lock off Kingston as well. Control that, man. Control that for me. Dark Knight, Obi, how you doing? I haven't heard anything from you all day. What's going on? You know we have the shipment of the diamonds coming in from Africa. Right. What's going on today? Blue, my twin sister, she's out. Really? How come I didn't hear anything from her? What's going on? There's been few changes. Really? Like what? Talk quick. She was handed the black envelope. Where does that leave me? I am the firstborn twin. The black envelope's supposed to be handed to me for me to run this mob. Who's been holding it down for the 5 years that her ass was locked up? Eh? Tell me now. Okay, get to the point. Oh, so she's taking over as of today. Okay, fine. If that's the way how my father wanted it, let it be. Right. I haven't even been hearing much from you lately. What is it? Aren't I good enough for you? You're in love with Blue? Are you serious? That hardcore bitch. She look like a straight dyke. My twin sister. Look how beautiful I am. Long hair, everything. Nice and fluffy. I got so much to offer you. And you want to go with Blue, the hardcore dyke looking twin. Well, I am telling you today. Let it be known that I want you to be my man. I am the one that really love you, Dark Knight. I love you. And now you're telling me that you're in love with my twin sister. Foolishness. foolishness. Eh? Oh my God. My God, oh. My God, oh. What is this on me today? I can't. I got off the phone with Dark Knight. He tell me things have changed. I understand that my father, well, I should say our father, has left you the black envelope. That means that you are in control now. Hey, congratulations, my sister. Congratulations.
Okay. Overthrow blue and give her more money. You see me towards the shipments and everything, like she want take out blue to the game, dog. Like she want run them up family.
So yeah, I said that. No more chatting, no more street control.
Dog, you know, Obi I did that, like she want overthrow blue, I like that, dog. Come back to you, a blue. Did it from day one, a share father, if matter of fact. Yo, get to the man, them come on the man.
Psycho, Ghost Rider, come cross.
Oh, go on. Yo.
Man has in a psycho, Ghost Rider, you know what it is?
No man, I take no shot from Obi there because she come and she use a little bird brain from family for muddy, like she want overthrow blue with it from day one to it. I tell me like she want manipulate my brain, but she want to give more money and this and that, like she feels me and eat it with the drug shipment and everything there.
Some boss,
yo,
can't go on. Don't know what I mean like the thing in us up. Say you can't go on, you can't go on, no boy. Lock off, you know.
I mean, straight up.
Anything you say, no boss. You don't know the thing, you know.
Yeah, no man, I think I talk from Obi because she not right. I like how she did me. You hear that? Ghost Rider.
One voice, done voice.
Yeah, no man, I try to do anything, dog.
I'm a boss. Come psycho, you know. You want to know. One bag look short, you know.
One buck there, boy, you see that.
Yeah.
Boy, say so, yo. Yo, but let's see if it's good, dog, because the boy ever put the thing in there. Psycho, so yo. No fear trying to put the stock in your dog.
No, just say the word, man.
So I go and get the weed.
I'm going to give me a story, you know.
Dog, what the man I did, man, youth? Man shot one and the man, dog.
Just say the word.
I get rid of him, man. I say I heard, man. Because Blue don't tell me to do already, you know. Yeah, you see me?
Boss him short.
I get to Blue.
Boss him short.
Yeah, Angel. Yeah. No, so the transaction with some transaction. You know, so that night they tell me. They tell me say for the UDS from Team and Blue. 5 million in a flip account. Yeah man, like you there the youth man. Alright, thanks. Yeah man. You know, so I never remember nothing. No, so that's a good thing she called me. I never remember a thing about that. So they with it right now. I never remember 5 million in that night account. I set up Blue. Alright. Yeah, man. 5 million in a dark night. Yeah. Okay, so I'll deal with this thing yeah. So the boss can get to him forget. What night? Yeah, I just deal with the thing them, you know. I just deal with the thing for you and the boss. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah, you can check the account anytime because it's supposed to go on through them when you send it off and everything already. 5 minutes to put it on your own, man. Yeah. Alright, my general. Say a word.
Hello, Psycho, my main man. What's going on?
I'm going over it. Yes, sir, first.
I need you to get rid of Blue. Serious now. I know you're all the way in Jamaica, but you got connections now over here.
Yeah, man. Yes, sir, get rid of Blue. Long time I tell her to know, man. Just make a call him, man. I make a call everything I do. Yeah, man, don't worry about Dark Knight, man. Dark Knight's dark, man.
I know he's soft. I know he's soft. Trust me, he's soft. As he would be with me. But listen, don't worry about that. I need you to make a couple of calls in Orlando. Yes, some of your bad man friend them. Yes. Okay? And set up the thing, because I haven't been hearing from Snow White for days. I don't know what's going on with her. Right. Let's get rid of this problem. It is a big problem for me. Right. I am going to be in charge of this mob enterprise, not her. And everybody better conform. Are you hearing me? I need this done quick.
That's smart. Alright, everything else okay. Alright, great.
You heard about that shit that OB and motherfucking Psycho got going on?
That's what I'm saying. What we required to do, because that shit, that's serious. That shit got to get handled.
Like, you need to be getting in touch with that nigga Dark Knight so he can handle that shit.
Hey, Doc. Hey, listen, man. Check this out, man. It's Spider, man. I'm riding, man, Cleo in traffic right now, man. Listen, man. That situation, man, with Psycho, man, get that handled in the next 24 hours, man. And that's your situation, man. If that ain't handled, man, me and Cleo will be on the next flight. And, man, 2 birds in 1 stone, man. Play your cards high as death.
See it that night. Do you know? Again.
Dogs, but wait, dog. At this Psycho really get to bring come give me my swam to the next 2 package, dog. You must say the man done shot for the next one day, dog, and this in the dog, and plus some weed in a bad man. Dog, everybody really did, man.
Don't tell you.
Man, you hear me saying, dog, him not right, you know. I'm done a style thing with blue already, you know. And him and Obi are linked in your mind. So watch, you know. Just get with them, because I'm a shot with too much. You see me, dog? I have to get with them a little more. You hear that?
You say the word.
Yeah, man, you must get rid of man, because Blue give me a talk for him more than thing, dog. Because him a link with Obi as when I say nobody. You see me?
Yeah, I see.
Yeah, man. Zombie. Alright. Curfew the police say no for dealing. We don't want no gunshot fire. Alright. Ghost rider.
Long
You see
time.
me?
They them like how they the cow and the goat them.
Fire for them, dog.
Wait,
I'm from the 18 dog. Because me know say you never shot the stock, you know. From the last one, you know. Because I said the boy, you don't read the man already. And you see the same thing come play up bad man.
A trees a strike.
Get rid of them, dog. You hear that?
Trees a strike, but a 2 for
Yeah,
him.
man. Look for more. Want some tongue out of head, dog.
Straight ambush, man.
Yeah, man. Ambush, man.
Cow
No gunshot
style.
for him. You hear that?
Cow style.
Alright, my dog. Out there.
Close in the door. Yo, Psycho. No, moving up.
Yeah, Ghost Rider, you say, catch the boy. Alright, I love that, my done.
Man, I said him go hell, man. Have him tongue still, I see it. Yeah, man.
Yeah, you want to say, burn him? Cut out him tongue. That's gonna be evil, you dog. Yeah, man, I love that still, man. Bring him tongue forward, let me see it. Like, I want to get it to blue, you see me? Because she want it because she like him farmer, you know. Alright, then, my done. Lick me. Right. You keep thinking first.
Out there.
Out there.
Boy, rapid burst, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, man, Blue most satisfying now, you know. That's why boy of shots, so, you know. The man suck his mother. Love how they cut out him tongue, man.
See that?
It's a plus, you know,
Thing
man.
that. They say the plus.
Yeah, man, no, it is a plus, man.
Yeah, man.
So we chop up the boy,
Couldn't
man.
cut off me and bring come to.
Yeah, no.
Don't know, say they soldier them outside, no.
Alright, you get this, isn't it?
Alright.
Don't know.
Love how they did with it.
What, man, you know, so me have to go link Dark Angel, because we have some things to talk about, you know.
Yeah, man.
Set up a meeting, you know.
Yeah, man.
Feel me?
I really chat, man.
Yeah, man, no doubt, man.
anything, you know. Yeah, man, I watch that and all you be able to see go on the road.
Yeah, man, we have to deal with that thing, man. Yo, Dark Angel, a Jagan, man. What you deal with? You don't know, say, we have to go set up a link, mama. Yeah, man, we have to go set a link tomorrow.
We have a meeting tomorrow. That's alone with you.
So you got in there? You got in there? Alright, that's how would hear. Thing good here, boy. Your thing here. You must hear. Look at me. Go on. Say nothing here.
Ready for anything, you know, boss.
Anything or anything.
Ready, you know, because them boys.
Yeah, we are lining up 2 bikes and get the warrior them out, you know, brother.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I got no more meat now, keep boy. We are loan for your keep.
We are loan,
yeah,
we are
loan.
Just say the word.
Loan
for your keep. No boy can't do
no more meat than keep. You may say, man.
Shoot up to them in there.
Yo. Shot fire.
Yo, boss.
Any more meat in your ear a keep, boy. You may say that. Gunshot. Grimlock.
Straight,
no, sir. No,
straight, boss.
No, you have a shell it, you know. Capture them to you.
Boss don't know, so we are beat it in our one. Don't be happy make it.
Word.
Yeah, man.
Deal with it in the mad one.
Yeah.
Go for them boys.
Yes, still.
Sister them, nah, more.
Yes, general, you know, so we have to deal with them.
Sister them a split side, pan, brother.
Yeah.
One side today and a your side, any other side.
Yeah, man, a your side.
Then you them not deal the way I deal with them. Right now, this is a take over, you know, brother.
Yeah, man, boss, right.
I'll take over this and get to
your side, you know, boss.
Yeah,
What them boys they do? So
yeah, man, we are shot fire, deal with him, man.
No more meat, you may say charge it.
Yeah, man. We are going to stop it, man. We are going to
all right.
Run out of thing, boss.
Man down.
We have to go on the place.
Yo, shot fire, watch ya. So send up on a little. More you go make a circle on the road and look what go on.
Yeah, man.
Where them are hang out.
Alright, boss.
Yeah,
anything what you say, boss, I deal with that.
You see when I forward back anything, you just make Grim Lord know. Yeah, man, I tell you.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So I go up on the road, go see
what fire ram. So shot fire, deal with it.
Alright, boss, a little more, yeah.
Alright, straight. They are dog, man. That's not tell you say how. Them nah move good, brother.
Sure, man. Long time to get to the board.
No more people now sell drugs or collect excursion, boy, but wait.
What you mean, if we place man, the boys?
And see if we not collect excursion, none now collect. That we are tell some people.
Yo, shot fire, come in back, man, we got fire shot.
So dog, yo, come in,
we need the man for the have the place locked in the car. No loose ball, you see me? I know thing going. Yeah, man, a real thing. Yeah, man, over there. Terminator.
Long time, brother.
Yo, top shotter.
Yeah, I'm a killer.
You like it, sir? A long time I see the woman them and I yeah, man, I share the big moment.
Alright, so your godmother run things like that.
Yeah, man, so that I call it to tell you.
Oh, for real,
for real. We don't really have to do nothing now to make you know, because you have the link, you know.
So you link up with Dark Night Posse and everything.
Alright.
You don't know Kingston in that.
Wall Street lock.
Alright.
Big up yourself, brother. Wall Street lock.
We have a place locked up.
But no, you think already, you know.
How would
that boy that looks up. Alright, stop. Watch out, I said they're on me, you know.
Shut up, police squad.
General person, what go on? My boss, I go lick road, make you know what go on. Come see boy them move away, boy them think big out there, you know. So we have to know why General I deal with now, we have to go link him. What you do? Yeah, man, everything good, man. I don't know my boss. I'm not go around the general thing.
I don't know, so we can't look in the man places.
Cool, man. I know the settings, man. Why I say, man? So you think you set, man.
Why?
Shut up, fire. Boss, you know, say you come here, link, though. Come see the boy, them keep big meat out there, no bossy. You see me what the little juvenile there tell you? It's little juvenile. Know what I'm saying now. You see me? So I say
Serious thing. Serious thing I talk shut up.
Yeah man, I be a things the boy them go on without the bossy. Yeah man. So I have to make you know what I go on. So know you're a general so. You know how you're feeling.
Shut up fire.
Yes, bossy.
Why you doing that little thing for me?
Yeah.
Call Bone Crusher and Grim Lad for me.
Jenna. Go for that. The dog them bring come man.
Shut up fire, come in. I'll pour over here some man. That tree killer them there, brother. Oh, now deal with them thing good, brother. Yeah, I know. It's the last year. No, sir, we have some problem doing that. No, shut up fire, tell me say, yo. Dark Angel them a keep big meat now for the front. Yes. Yeah, I know some one man them rise up couple things and go surface the ground. Look what I go on.
Yo, just say the word, boss.
You have a person. Grim Lad walk with the AK now.
Yeah man, call the boy them
Let me say no. Rise up a junk road type free.
What? You can't do that, brother. Hold on, brother. I'm not
You can't do that. Our soldiers still not. Alright. Yo, shut up fire. Rise up a junker. Yo, get Bone Crusher some matic.
Bossy, told me that thing me all go for the thing and you leave ready for sugar it off.
Yo, keep it down on that.
I must say the artists are work to you know, dog. Man have to kind of balance the nice things said you. When I don't know the thing going on.
Real man.
Grim Lad, real killer and walk with one gun, you know.
True.
Just bring another gun to hear me assessor.
Real man.
Some one man them just surface the ground. Look what I go and program the road.
Yeah.
I'll see how the thing set, you see me?
Yeah, man.
See if them move all too hard.
Yes,
just a couple people to man.
I don't know if I'm boss, man.
You see me?
Yeah, man.
Warrior, yo, I'll get some drink and the man them come up and some American. You see me? The man them just mash up that and forward back here.
Don't know.
Person, you go and well off with me.
Hey. Can you hear me now? Pray them. Them say them have clips, pan top of clips. Gun well load pan them hip. Big 45 and them matic. Ready fi go show. Top killer. Tell you why me 8-9. 9 kill too much man. And 10 a cause too much tension. Mach 11 bus load 12 gauge nah ram. It's like them release the demon. 14, 15, 16 clip bigger than baby and whoa yeah. These streets is filled with drugs and guns and crazy man. Hey, oi. Real life this and on Hollywood. And if you kill your black brother that mean him gone for good. And where things are that's not the way it should. And if you want to give me forward nobody go so boom. It's like them now no regards to life. Them only obsessed with guns and knife. Them will kill a day and them will kill in a night. Do it for the love and them a do it for the hype. Who are on the port on the gun them send up.
Everybody come out and shoot them. Never trust nobody. I inform a thing you look like it. Just pass the over to. Pass the over.
Buck lad.
Yeah, here, General.
Up on the top, what you doing?
Yeah, man, I have a good dinner. Dark Angel and
Dark Angel.
I'm going to tell you, man, a couple meals, you know.
Loyalty, you go.
Yeah, I like that, man.
Yeah, man.
This a boy.
Dog, them have to live, you know.
Oh, you mean, man?
Yeah, understand.
Yeah, so give me
Yeah,
some
man.
money tonight.
How you talk, sir, man?
Oh, you mean, man?
Yeah, man. Let's make sure.
But this have to
I
be
know you love one where you love money. Like,
that's how she go.
I don't know a thing. Yeah, man.
Girl, in the Korean,
Yeah, man. That's all right,
you
man.
don't know when it's nice right
Yeah, man, you know
it's
the next week, same place, same time.
Yeah, man.
Oh, you mean, man?
Do the good work. Yeah, man.
Yo, I'm man.
Watch, man.
Watch, man. How money I go? Money I go.
Rough Rider. I don't know so everything will have. Never to say it.
Never, brother. Never. But me no want things to get shaky, brother. I want my own, brother.
I boss at the button out. We see some people come here. We see them come here. Some people come here.
It's a customer.
I'm not looking for Ringo.
Yes, sir.
We hear say Angel them there collect some things, you know, and we there to collect it, you know. Nobody else not go collect no money as about we, you know.
See, yeah, man. We are running off the thing. Nobody else now deal with it. We are dealing with it.
Tell me, say I'm a deal with the thing, you know.
We are dealing with it.
I know, so we get Dark Angel the bag already doing, me done.
Dark Angel, get where she forget already, nothing more now run.
Yeah.
Can't run nothing more in here,
Don't feel like.
Don't feel like a madness.
Right now we done. You done not too.
Yeah, the boss who are waiting for right now still, you know, I mean I tell you say, nah, go so, you know, the way Angel eyes them come down here, Dark Angel and them can't collect no more money. We are running off the thing right now, you see it.
Come all the while,
Yo, but here what me I tell you say, yo, we are waiting for the boss, the boss we are waiting for right now.
Right now, I'm joke.
Get to the boss now.
No go on up your account deal with that. Our place, you know, mama. Know that, you know. Gunshot will be for that.
We don't know, we can't make this lesson.
Go here.
Yo.
Yo, you want what now? Yes, I know give all the hectares of money because I want to.
Watch it, General.
Come in, General.
Dark Angel, come, you know.
Right now,
General, this.
Right now, we are going to talk Dark Angel, you know.
I don't know the general about, you know. One general.
One general.
Me no know walk one, so me can't just let go of everything I go.
Hey, me say for leg of the thing. Me have a leg of the money.
Rep for my city, city. Rep for my city. I put on angel eyes. I put on for my block. Rep for my city. If you ain't getting money, then you ain't fucking with me. Got a block unlock. You niggas ain't ready. 22s on the shoes when I cruise in the Bentley. Put on for my block. Rep for my city. If you ain't getting money, then you ain't fucking with me. Put on. I put on. Yo, put grip on the strip, heavy on the whip. When we roll like 4, 5, 6, we pound that ditch. Heavy on the grind, stuck in the money, now we getting rich. Them call me the Audi. When ripper pass that the place get naughty. Chrome rims, it's a Ferrari. True to the game loyalty. Yo, I put on for my block. Rep for my city. If you ain't getting money, then you ain't fucking with me. Got a block unlock. You niggas ain't ready. 22s on the shoes when I cruise in the Bentley. I'm bad, talking them with a smile.
Sheba of status. Hey, nah man. Hey, see I feel the pain. I'm dedicating this song to my friends and foes who lost someone. When my grandmama died, yeah, I say gone too soon, gone too soon. R.I.P. on your headstone.
Gone too soon. Gone too soon. R.I.P. on your headstone. They say when a man die, I'm not supposed to cry, but I feel the pain and hurt when my grandfather died. Till time go by, still I gotta try. Keep the faith within. I know I say gone too soon, gone too soon. R.I.P. on your headstone. Hey, yes, now you're gone too soon. We say you're gone too soon. R.I.P. on your headstone. Hey, Mama burn her belly and cry.
You gonna set up them boy and rob them and shoot up some of them posters. You understand? Yeah, man. Some boy, I hear what one more shoot two of them posters all themselves. You hear that? So just line up your girls and do the thing. Alright, that's alright.
You see me? Walk and mark and show the sexy clothes. And when the boy them come over, shoot them down and take everything. Everything. And we are run this long time and we not let no boy come take over. Because them are going like now. You man tell me say them are rob a place. Yes, and gun point and them coming in. And we got this woman, so we got this woman right now. We got this woman. You see me?
Some boy is brain a go wash out, you know. Or can I go for them now, angel?
Wait,
boy, I will take all with good boss, then come rub it through and taste.
Delicious, you know ready, that's all. Yeah, man. Alright, thank you.
Some saltness this restaurant.
But yo, our work is up and no man.
So we have to know young girl.
Oh, I punch her, we punch her. Oh, we want that. That's delicious. We punch her, come on. And we not in a spear around then.
No spear, what kind of saltness this man? What man?
No man,
how step it and chop what we have a man go say.
Oh man them. Oh, I'm doing right. General, look for it for them.
Don't on spear.
Play bunny the man them check it on.
Right, man. How them Jolly? How them Jolly? How them Jolly?
Rep for my city. I put on angel lights. I put on for my block. Rep for my city. If you ain't getting money, then you ain't king with me. Got a block unlocked. You niggas ain't ready. 22s on the shoes when I cruise in the Bentley. Put on for my block.
I hope I'm good. I hope that you have come through for Obi.
Oh yeah, I come through for you. I got the 3 keys you've been asking for.
Are you sure? 3 keys?
3 keys.
Hey, I got the Yale.
And then in case anybody give you any problems, I got this for you too. Ready?
Oh, perfect. Ah, nice. Oh, and the clip.
Clip.
Ah, mwah.
Yeah.
You got 2 clips.
Oh, I got good use for that.
Yeah, so if they give you any problems, you let me know and I have my boys come deal with them too, okay?
Oh, definitely. Okay. I'm going to have to speak to Snow White because I have somebody to take this bullet from this gun. Yes. Okay. All right. Come, Shiba. I'm glad you set up the 3 keys for me with Venom.
It's good, and it's some good stuff too. It's the best.
And a gun. I have a proposition for you.
What's up?
I like that smile. You're so beautiful. I need you to take care of something very
We've been doing that on our own.
Exactly. We don't need no blue.
And if she's running around with the family and stuff, like what's going on?
I don't know. Your guess is as good as mine. But now she is the leader of the mob family, and I don't like it.
So what are we gonna do about it?
Here. This is what we're gonna do about it.
Okay.
I need you. She's supposed to take a trip and leave her son King with me while she go to Miami for a pickup. I need you to put a bullet straight in the back of her head. Okay. Do you hear me? Are you down for Obi?
Anything for you.
Hey,
you know I got that.
That's what I'm talking about.
Hey Blue, this is Anastasia calling. Sorry to call you after hours, but I just want to let you know that I have an update for you.
Hi Anastasia, how you doing? Everything is good with me. What's up? I hope you got some good news to tell, Blue. Yeah, you do? Well, let's hear it, baby. Spit.
$45 million.
$45 million. Ja Rastafari Selassie I ever live it.
Yeah, let me just double check that for you. Yes, and you wanna invest some of that money, like we talked about?
Yeah, I want to invest it for my mob family, right, in stocks and bonds. Yeah?
Take half of that and put it in an offshore account for the criminal activity.
So you're gonna transfer the money, the $45 million, to my Swiss bank account?
Yes. I'll get back in touch with you when the money is on its way. It should be there. Actually, it should be on its way right now.
It sounds good.
Nice talking to you, Blue. Be safe. I'll be up with you. Hello, Blue Obi. How you doing, my twin sister? I haven't seen you in a couple of days. What's going on? I just got back in from Africa with the samples of diamonds. Oh, I said, Blue, you should see the diamonds. They just sparkle. God is good, oh. God is good. I said, diamonds rain on me, diamonds shower on me. Hey, you want me to bring the samples to you? Just know that the shipment will be with you within 7 days. I've arranged that. So let your sister, I've been working my ass off for you now. Take the trip to Africa, to Nigeria for these diamonds and get the samples for you and set up everything for you. And you want the samples? There's about 100,000 here. It is worth 100,000. Let that be my payment. Hey, I beg. Hey, I'm not bringing no damn samples to you. I earned that. Anyway, when are you sending my gorgeous nephew King to me? This weekend. Is it this weekend that you plan to go to Miami for the other pickup? Hey, who you taking with you? You're going by yourself. Are you crazy, Blue? I can't afford anything to happen to you. Why are you taking that risk? Listen, you are getting very sloppy now. You're getting very sloppy. I got plans. Let me send Snow White with you. She can drive in the same vehicle or she can drive in her own vehicle behind you. You need extra muscles, And you know Snow White is so beautiful. And she's very loyal to us. I'm going to send Snow White with you. Yes? Okay, good. I will call Snow White and let her know that she must stay with you. How long are you staying for? Just one night. Okay, that's fine. A quick thing, in and out, eh? Yes, I'm so proud of you, my sister. I tell you, you're the godmother now. I'm so happy, eh? Even though it should have been me. Hey, well, I guess Father know what he's doing, because I'm very hard-headed. You are the intelligent one, you are the calm and deadly one, eh? Where if I'm going to kill you, I'll let you know I'm going to kill you. Where you're not going to say anything, you just put a bullet in somebody's head. Hey, I said bullet, oh, I said bullet. Yeah. Anyway, Blue, I got to come off the phone. I'm tired. I am jet lag. You hear me? Jet lag, girl. My God, what a lucky bitch, oh. Eh? She get the man, she get the mob, she get the diamonds, she get the money. Eh? I'm going to make sure that Snow White killed that bitch. Let me call Snow White. Dead, oh. I said she's going to be dead, oh. And me are the godmother. Them better know. Right, and me run this. Now she run me. You think me I gonna make that they can have the style me? From she smile that the bitch they jealous of me. Right, me glad say me hardcore. Right, she better recognize and know her, please. The grave I wait for her. Trust me. Cleopatra.
What's up, Blue?
Let's do this. We gotta do a bank transaction, and I'm gonna send you in with 3 keys. It's good stuff. It looks good, right?
Right, need the bank. I'm gonna make sure you got the money for the yayo.
You better recognize who is in control. The godmother talking to you live. Better pull it up enough for me and you, Cleopatra.
That's how it's gonna be because you got the money in the bank. You're gonna make the transaction. Oh, girl! These $100,000, you know what I'm gonna do with them things? We going out to Cali with those. Girl, yes. My husband is gonna love me for this one.
Today must be my day. Let's see if the transfer is in. Cause my ride or die, Cleopatra, I know she done good by me. Okay, let's see. Great! The 100,000 is in my account right now. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah.
I think I have a diabolical plan up my sleeve today. Let's see what I can do. I'm kind of in the mood to hack something. Godmother Blue was telling me about Franklin's mall. Let's see what we're gonna do. That 20,000 pounds sure does sound good right now. I'm in. 20,000 sweet pounds coming your way.
Cleo, man. I'm at the motherfucking class and trying to scope out the scene, man. About to later on, I'm finna come pick up these cars, man. But I can have Zoo and D to come raw, man. I'm about to leave this bitch now, so we can hit out this bitch later on and shit, so we can, you know what I mean, hit, cause I see some dicks in some of these motherfuckers, though. Alright,
Problem. You know what? I'm here tell you say our twin sister Obi try to take over, you know. Yo, me not think I load up the thing. Yo, me come link you right away. Because we have to go show Obi an example. We have to go make an example out of one of the areas again, you know. You understand?
Go on, Dark Angel.
Yo, every day, you know.
Everything blessed.
Of course. You don't
Yeah,
know?
man.
So I go on.
I'm going to tell you, say nothing no good in a moment.
Lie.
See, you know, say the boy undertaker.
Yeah.
The boy turn snitch, you know. And you know, say, all of the things them are coming short.
Yo, we have to go dash to that boy there, you know.
What you mean?
So I go on. Yo, let me tell you something. You want to know, say, Blue, right?
Yeah.
Scarface niece in a real life. You see what I say? You understand? I have one twin sister named Obi. And she, the girl there, farm up the areas of young.
What you say?
Try to take over the thing, you know, my youth.
What you say, Dark Angel?
Yo.
So me just get them news.
Work.
I wipe out all of them.
You don't know, so we not deal with the phone talk more. You don't know the phone thing go already.
I know you have to come on my foot, man, because we not too deal with the phone call thing, you know.
People
Mama,
have to get dash where you.
Mama, me love that, you know, man. And you know, say, you know, say, from a gun time, you know.
So nice.
See, we don't run joke with certain things, you know.
Thing about you.
Nobody can this godmother, you know. You hear me, I say? Nobody, anybody
Yo,
this godmother
a
have to deal with
long
me.
time Blue around the thing, you know. You see me? And we not sit down and make the girl take over the thing, you know.
Mad
you
mama,
understand?
take over.
Black Mob Enterprise belongs to Blue. You see what me I say?
You me
Alright,
say,
watch man. So what we
you
gonna do?
call up a boy there. See?
Alright.
And we are going to just deal with the thing.
You
see me? You know what to do, you know.
You
Long
see
time
me?
you work for
Oh,
me, you know
mean,
what thing going
man.
on.
You
See?
mean, man.
So you what? Just heal up godmother for me, see?
Me
Tell
do
her
that.
say everything good.
You see me?
Any problem she have, she just call me.
Alright, you
Cause
don't know, say. The
One
chica
thing, man, you
finger
know,
there,
say,
you
mama,
know.
you know a thing going on. So you
Hold
what?
it.
I go mash up a thing, you
Yeah.
know. So look a bit, see?
Only for shipment, I show only for shipment to go for them boy there, you know. You see me?
You know, they are keeping people to my job. And them boys are making whole of the money and we are going like, we are need that and we are carrying the job.
Yeah, man, I that way for do yesterday. I don't know the thing going on. Only for shipment to do for them, and you don't know our things set, you know. We are going to run things, you know, because we are trying to deal with the thing one way where we want to take over things, you know.
You see it?
You see me?
So you take some of this tonight, you know. And you,
yeah.
You better come out, Ivan.
Yeah, anything, cause right now, that
if anything, I'm going anywhere, you know. You know,
we don't know anything go, yeah, cause you see it, I'm ready to bust all the boy for you, you know, watch, man.
Yeah,
man, do that, man, cause that's how our things thing, like, I don't know, we're not doing no low thing, you know. Our thing well up, you know.
Fool, we not take, no.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, this a fool, man. You don't know what them are doing, you know, say a bad man thing, we are going to run it.
You don't really, don't let us, we are going to
alright, so, yeah, man, you're good, man, you can go, man.
Alright, let's come on.
Alright, yeah, man, you're good.
Dark Angel. Go and give me a link right now. You show you some in a ramp. A boy in a ramp with my thing and get it. The boy in a ramp.
That's not
ramp up the thing, you know.
See, I'm sorry, little girl, tell you.
So you what? More you call it. See? Yeah, man, we just call it on the end.
Yo, watchman. Yo, undertaker.
Yo, boss. You know what you look at them, find out we're going at them things. Them find out them take out it, you know. Yeah, watchman just a call me, you know. We call Dark Angel, you know. And me fit to him chick on the front, you know. You know, it's not right door. Me I go to them, you know, boss. You know what you have to do. Yo, what me do? What me do?
Yo, that angel one thing, you know, we are bringing it to her.
Alright.
Go on, dog. Yo, all the things they're missing.
Me don't know what you're talking
I
about.
mean, you don't know what go on. And you and Watchman, and you don't know about the statement.
I said I'm on me can't come, you know.
Shipment missing. What you do?
I love you in a base. How are you 7 man? I come link you man. How are you 7 man? I come check you man. Yeah. Don't know man. So the thing me tell you that me name. Soon come check you man.
Yo, pussy. Come out for that. Come on, right now. What do you think? Boss, no long man.
Hey boy, I want to do. You know say a bad man. You know say a bad man too man. Come on. I want to do it. I want to do. I just want you. I just want you to raise a crew. There I know. How that move sir? When I deal with you, punish it boy. Punish it.
Sit down here, son.
Sure.
Sit down here, son.
How that do? No, the time.
What do you mean we are doing?
You know what boy.
Yo, we are making an example out of you.
Boy, you chat too much. Tie up him. Shut up. I just want you to raise a crew.
Shut your eyes. We are going to send a message to Wobby, you see me? And he raise a blood plate gang.
Tie up him man. Boy, you chat too much. Hey boy. What me drop there? Eh? How me drop there boy?
Talk up to the person I want. Talk up the man.
What you say? Pull that me here myself.
Where else you boy?
What you say? I don't know what you talk about. What you mean say no? I don't know what you talk about, you know. You and the boy and the cake and a rap on the cake. No, man, I don't know what you talk about, man. You don't know. Hey, boy. You and the boy and the cake and a rap on the cake.
Yo, I put you.
Hey, boy. You know, give me no information. No information. You tell me somebody for your ramp with? No information. You never hear about me. I mean name Watchman, you know. Cause my friend never come back for no. No information. Boy, you never hear about me. You never hear about me, boy. You never hear about me. I mean name Watchman, you know. I mean name Watchman, you know. You never hear about me, boy. Me show you say enough ramp in here. Me no ramp with people, you know, boy. You know say, me no ramp with people. I run the whole place. You see me? You see when you see Watchman, you don't play. So murder you. So me I say, murder you.
Boy, they are struck. I was gone.
Yo, come we left the place, you know.
We could take him and dash him. Dash away, boy. We can't leave him. Dash him, make we dash him.
Yo, Dark Angel.
Yo,
finish it.
Hold on there. Hey, boy. Hold it. Hold that, boy.
You know, we can't leave him so because we don't want nobody cheer, you know. We dash him.
Alright.
Off the
smart.
Yes, we gotta get the right man to get
Yeah,
Blue
we
out
have
the
to get.
streets.
Yeah, we have to get Cleo too.
Yes, we gotta get Cleo.
So you know what we can do?
Yes.
We can park a van, the Spectrum van, in front of Cleo house, and we can put a tracker on Blue car.
Yes.
Don't forget, Blue have everything. She have the strip club with the holes in it. She have the weed. She have the coke. She has the diamonds too. And let's not forget, she's very smart. Her and Cleo laundering their money, and they switching it to different bank accounts.
Yes, we know how to get them down.
We have to take them down.
Yes,
I want to get Blue first, then get Cleo, because Cleo ain't gonna know what hit when we take Blue first.
Well, I seen some suspicious shit OB got going on around this motherfucker. That motherfucking Blue car. I'ma see what the fuck OB got going on. I've been seeing some suspicious shit. They don't know I've been watching out and shit. So let me see what the fuck going on around this motherfucker. I think they got this bitch tapped. They already got my motherfucking phone and shit tapped. Look what the fuck I found.
Hi, Dark Knight. What's up? I'm missing you like crazy, man. Soon as I come touch down at Jamaica, I get a little piece of you know, because this not gonna work. Yeah, you miss her? Right. How you sound, sir? What's wrong? Come again? One of your guys in the crew is a Judas. Are you serious? Want to know some of your crew over here in my talk to Snow White? Really? About me? How will y'all say? Oh my God. And Obi want her to go to Miami with me. Alright, don't worry about it. Me just like, you know, me always play it cool. Don't worry yourself. Me got this simple something. Simple something is just one phone call, as Vibe Cartel say. One phone call, me I gonna make argument done. Cleopatra, Blue, it look like we have big problems, you know, and it's in the camp. You hear me? In the camp, somebody's betraying us. Cause Dark Knight just called from Jamaica and let me know what's really going on. Right. One of the guys on his crew is a Judas, right? And that same Judas is linked up with Snow White. And Snow White's supposed to follow me to go to Miami. That's what Obi wanted for extra protection. Something not right. Need to pay Snow White a visit. Yeah. Tell her I send my regards. Yeah. Do what you gotta do. Torture her. Whatever you gotta do. Slow death. I don't care. Make her drink bleach. Or acid up the gal. Whatever you got to do. Eliminate her. I want her eliminated before I go to Miami. Yeah? And I'm gonna drop off King as regular to Obi. Right. I don't want Obi to know anything.
What's wrong?
Let her think that Snow White is going.
You just came out of prison, right?
Right.
And you're not spending enough time with me.
I gotta run this errand. I gotta go to Miami just for one day. I'm gonna take you to your Aunt Obi's and I'm gonna leave you there. You know how much it means to you when you spend time with Aunt Obi. You know she loves you like her own son. Just one day. Listen, I make a deal with you, right? Put your tongue in your damn mouth, boy. Right, I make a deal with you. When I get back from Miami, I'm gonna take you to Disney World. Right?
And can I go to someone's house?
Yeah, you can go to your sister's house, Shoulder's house, okay? Yeah? You love mommy?
Yeah.
All right, give me a kiss. I love you so much. Alright, so let's go. I'm so glad to have you here, eh? My favorite nephew. Huh? You are so smart and you're so bright. Huh? You okay?
Yes.
You're all smiles now, eh? Because you're with Auntie Obi. Eh? Listen, you're only here for one night because your mother have to run a special errand down in Miami, huh? She and Snow White. But she told me she have a little surprise for you when she comes back. Do you want to know the surprise? But you can't tell her that I told you. Are you hearing me now?
Yes.
Hey, hey, she's going to take you to Disney World. Huh? I think she promised you, but she wasn't too sure. But she said if you are good for your auntie Obi, she is going to take you to Disney World. Huh? Can I come? You sure? Are we gonna go on Audi, right? Oh, that's why I love you so much. Hey, how come you are dressed in red? What is this? You are the black mob.
Today I have to be the red mob.
Red mob? I don't think so. You are kidding me, eh? You are the black mob. You must dress in black all the time. Listen, I still got some clothes for you from the last time you stayed here. There's some black clothes. Huh? Because you are the black mob. One day you are going to run this enterprise. I promise you. Eh? Just keep on loving your auntie. You can go to your room and go change in the black. My laptop if you want. Because I know you like to play your games. Eh?
Yes.
Yes, go ahead and have some fun. Yes?
What's up?
What's up, Spider?
Man, how we gonna handle this situation with Snow?
Man, fuck that shit. We just gonna pay that whole visit and just go see what the fuck going on, cause she talking a little bit too much out here in the streets, and you know we can't have her the fuck over our nigga Blue like that.
Lady Blue ain't trying to hear none of this extra shit we talking about. So I'ma go ahead and handle this shit. I'ma give you a call, and I'ma let you know when it's handled.
And then I'ma just stand out in the motherfucking paint and watch and see what happen. I'ma be waiting for your phone call, my nigga. We hit you up, go ahead and ask that shit out.
Say no more, man.
Close to the bitches.
Hey, Snow, check this out, right? I heard you was going to Miami with Blue.
Yeah. Coming up real soon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a lot of that's gonna be rearranged.
Okay.
It ain't gonna be none of that.
Why? What's going on?
Cut a long story short, we done found out some information. We done did our homework on you. Or you got some people sitting around plotting on Lady.
So how did you get any information about that?
Your circle.
Oh yeah?
You doing a little bit too much talking. You doing a little bit too much talking out here. You can't be doing all that between you and OB with the bullshit, with all that trying to change on Blue with the fuck shit. You got to go. You know what I mean? Today is the day for your ass. Because you a betrayal bitch. I thought you was on our motherfucking team. But you ain't on our motherfucking team no more. You got to go, ho.
Oh well, first of all, we're family. What information did you even get? Where did you get it from?
Hello? Lady Blue?
From your motherfucking circle that you claim your circle. Them he say, she says.
Excuse me, pour my soul. Alright, Lady Blue. That's how I called my maid. So you know what time it is, right?
So you guys gonna kill me?
You're already dead.
And how's that?
Bitch, I know you ain't got no motherfucking attitude when your motherfucking life is on the line, ho.
You guys walking up in here and telling me that I betrayed y'all. Y'all betraying me.
Hey, Snow. I can use your restroom.
It's in the bag. Y'all don't piss me the fuck off. Go respect them.
Oh, there's something from Snow White. This might be interesting. Let's see. What the rascal is this? My mama? What? She set up my grandfather to get killed? She set up my mom? No! She set up my mom for 5 years in prison for nothing. I spent 4 years with my mom for nothing. Hell no. What the rascal is this, no? I'm telling my mom. I know I shouldn't have did, but it's a good thing I did. She set up grandfather to die, and now she's gonna set up Snow White to come and kill you in Miami. Turn back. I made it. Turn back, please. You gonna turn back? Okay. Mommy, just turn back, please. I'm just worried. Please turn back. Please. I don't want you to die. Please. Let me know where you're safe. Let me know where you're home, please. Please, turn back. 10:15. God. Oh, mommy sent me something. Hold on. King, open up the door for mommy. Don't wake up your auntie. Okay. King, are you ready for your vacation? Hell yeah. I'm not joking with you. Y'all gonna set him up? I'm gonna kill you. I don't give a damn how somebody wanna get me. I don't care, you hear me? See how they blow my head? I don't care. So don't kill me. I'm the real black mom right now. Y'all haters, y'all can back up. Hurry up, man. Hurry up. Hey, Mom, I did the mistakes. I killed her older. I killed you. Did it. Black mom now, I'm the real one. One thing though. One little thing. Right? So I left the knife in her hands. So it have her fingerprints. I wiped off my fingerprints. Okay? So how long you gonna be like? You need to hurry up. 5 minutes away. One day, Obi told me that I'm gonna run this black mob enterprise. I guess today is the day. Y'all better recognize me. Yeah, all stars, black mob enterprise. Gangster life.
I pray them. Them say them have clips, pan top of clips. Gun well load pan them hip. Big 45 and them matic. Ready fi go show. Top killer. Tell you why me 8-9 kill too much man, and 10 a cause too much tension. Mach 11 bus load 12 gauge nah ram. It's like them release the demon. 14, 15, 16 clip bigger than baby and whoa yeah. These streets is filled with drugs and guns and crazy man. Hey, oi. Real life this and on Hollywood. And if you kill your black brother that mean him gone for good. And way things are that's not the way it should. And if you want to give me forward nobody go so boom. It's like them now no regards in life. Them only obsessed with guns and knife. Them will kill a day and them will kill in a night. Do it for the love and them a do it for the hype. War on the port on the gun them send off is the country one back a than man like the dust. Enough of them a screw, enough of them a go bend up. And when them start talk pray them tell them hush up. Can't hear no good song a be a gun song a bust. And if it continue the country a go get a be a little demon me see a breed up. Rifle all out and them now heads up. tell you why me hate 9 kill too much man, and 10 a cause too much tension. Mach 11 but slow, 12 gauge now ram. It's like they release the demon. 14, 15, 16 clip bigger than baby and boy, these streets is filled with drugs and guns and crazy man. Aye. They say they murder us and they will take your life away. They say they murder us and they will take your life away. Them have up some riflemen, even know them name. And all who are going, it look like a end game. Spinners them a bust like a Django Unchained. Badness increase, the youth them gone insane. Hey, them say them no care and them will kill anyone, any man, yo. Them gone too deep, them sell them soul to the demon. Let me tell you why me hate 9 kill too much man, and 10 a cause too much tension. Mach 11 bust low, 12 gauge now ram. It's like them release the demon. 14, 15, 16 clip bigger than baby and